How you doing, everybody? It's Jehoiadak Maccabeus Everyday Survival. Show you my new project I bought. It's a 1941 16-foot camper, and I got a title on it. The brothers from the church come down to help me haul it. Turn it around here. Isn't that a beauty, y'all? And we got her loaded, folks. My brother Ronnie, he's a former Special Forces Green Beret 5th Group. These are his two giant sons. This one's like 6'7", and this one's like 6'5" or something.
Oh yeah, football stars right there.
They're an all-star wrestling team. I got my camper home. This is a 1941 Royc. Paid $300 for it. It's not in too bad a shape, in my opinion. I'll turn it around here so you can see the whole thing. It's got a hobbit door on it. Standing in here flat-footed, it comes up to about the middle of my neck. There we go. It's a little better. A little bit of... The boards aren't damaged on that, but that window leaks apparently. That one there leaks. Probably have to replace that plywood. All the cabinet doors are here. There's one that's broke there, and one underneath of the stove. Still got the original ice box. This is an actual ice box, not a refrigerator. Little vanity cabinet. I got some vinyl windows, some small vinyl windows that I got years ago. Here, move this out of the way. I'm going to replace some of these windows with vinyl windows. They're just the old kind that you pull up on this lever like that and push out on it and open them up. Still got the original stove in it. That's pretty cool. I'll restore it and use it. That's the oven. Little mouse nest in there. Those aren't hard to restore. Little sink. Cold water. There's the rest of the cabinet door for down there. The drawer is right there. For here. There's a bunch of odds and ends stuff in here that kind of cool. That's a Tyvek shirt or jacket. Some weather stripping. Full can of glass cleaner. Still sprays. Just some odds and ends stuff in there. I thought that was pretty cute. Little baby shoe. I've got these books already. Exact same books that I have. They're in a little bit of rough shape, but they're still readable. I thought that was pretty cool. That's the upper cabinet. It popped down off the ceiling while we was moving it on the trailer and bringing it home, unloading it or sometime. That's it. That's my chair I brought in here. That camping chair came with it. That's a weighted vest, which I'll start wearing. It's got little sandbags in it. Building your health. It's got a good sealant in it. Roof don't leak. This is a camelback trunk I bought. That's a mister. It was in here. Still got the box with it. Camelback trunk. Paid $1 for that trunk at a thrift store the other day. Paid 75 cents for the little cover. It's I guess a seat canopy, but I'm gonna take these little things off of it and use it for a cover for the trunk. I'm gonna leave that trunk in here. It's pretty cool. One thing I didn't show was the little furnace. I don't know anything about it. Let me turn this. That's the little furnace. Goes in it. Another thing I didn't point out was this little hood and fan. See, it's got the pipe that goes through the roof. I'm going to try to restore it back just as original as I can. There's something else I forgot. We're going to want to see that little snow cone machine. There's actually a couple of packs of the snow cone, the paper snow cone deals. I got to get used to that door being slow, even for a short man. That's pretty low. Siding's in real good shape. Like I said, it doesn't leak anywhere except for around the windows. It's got that back cargo area on it. There's a copper line comes out up underneath it where that bumper's laying. I guess this is for like the propane tank to sit on the back. Them wooden camp boxes. I'm gonna restore that and do it right. That bumper was laying inside, so I'm guessing it's probably the one that goes on the back here. Yep. I'm pretty tickled to get it. 1941 with a title. And I've only found one that was even halfway close to it on the internet. It's not a very popular camper. 1941, that would have been right at the beginning of World War II. And we'd just been in the Great Depression, so I don't imagine campers were a real big thing being sold with the economy the way it was. Isn't that cool? It's he told me it was 7 by 16. I don't know if that's including the cargo box on the back or the distance of the box itself, the camper hull. Haven't found any breaker boxes or fuse boxes, nothing like that in there yet. I'm guessing maybe they may be up underneath of it. Here's a front view of it. I like that latch. It's one of my old Suburbans, caught it on fire a few weeks ago. It was just a parts vehicle. Needs a little work, but for what it is, it's definitely worth restoring. Yes, sir. I'm tickled to death. Y'all stay safe and have a good day. My new project.